Hello everybody, I'm gonna do kind of a follow-up on the previous lesson. I didn't realize that when I was recording last time, I didn't realize that the camera view was obstructing the view of the screen as much as it was. So I'm going to reduce the size like this. So now you should be able to see my the screen better. Let's get this there. You need to get that out of the way too, the OBS Studio. Anyway, let's see. That should be a lot easier to see. I think now you can see the website. So yeah, you're just gonna, to download and install code blocks, you're just gonna go to this website, codeblocks.org, and then that should take you to this website, and you're gonna go over here under the left-hand column on this this navigation menu over here. Gonna click on downloads, close that, we don't need the ad. And then from here on this downloads page, click on download the binary release, and here you go. Here's that big green button I was talking about last time that I now realize you couldn't see because it was obstructed. Let's see, is it not obstructed? Can you see the, let's see. Yeah, here we go. Here's the big green download button I was talking about last time. So this is what you do not want to click on this. This is some advertisement, so we can just close that. That is not what we're going to download. It's probably kind of a shitty layout design. Excuse me. It's a bad layout design where the ad is the ad kind of makes it look like that's what you're supposed to click on to download the file, when actually what you want to click on is one of these things, one of these right here. You can download from either FossHub or SourceForge. Let's see, it'll be the same file either way, it's just a matter of which mirror you want to download from. And a mirror, as I explained in the last video, just refers to whether it's just basically duplicating the file on a different website. That's all a mirror means in this context. And so, let's see. I think the ones that I downloaded last time was this top one from sourceforge.net. So I clicked on this one, and then I also had to download this one as well, the fourth one down, to get the MingW for the compiler. You might be able to do it with, I think, just this one. Oh, we don't want to select that much. Let's see. So probably this fourth one down might give you everything you need. You could just download that one only, and I think that should do everything all in one go. So it might be easier for you than what I did on the previous video. And so yeah, if you click on SourceForge, it'll take you to this page, and then the download should begin automatically. Yep, see, it's going right there. Anyway, I'm just going to stop that since I've already downloaded and installed it. But that's how you download and install code blocks. So if that video and this video, the previous video and this video should be enough to get you up and running. And if you need any more help, just let me know in the comments. Thanks. Like and subscribe.